The law of conservation of energy states that the total amount of energy in an isolated system remains constant. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it does transfer from one form to another. There are many types of energy, including mechanical energy, which is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Chemical energy, and that's the energy contained in the bonds and molecules. Radiant energy, the energy of electromagnetic radiation, including light. All of these energy types have a tendency to be spontaneously transformed into heat energy by natural processes. Heat energy flows from high concentration to low concentration, or simply from a hotter to a colder body. According to the law of conservation of energy, when these transformations take place, there isn't a loss in the total amount of energy.